Republic TV has accessed details of the drugs angle, and it's not just about the drugs angle anymore. It's not about who gave drugs to whom, but the big names that are emerging in this investigation. Republic TV has details of top names, including politicians and Bollywood stars. And these are names that are with the agencies, and the drug mafia expose on Republic TV will tell you all about the big political names that are emerging. In fact, the details were available with Republic TV, and top agency sources have confirmed to Republic that 20 names have been shortlisted in the course of the investigation. These are the names taken by those who are investigated, questioned, grilled. And we have details. Let me go across to Prakash as we get you details of the drug mafia expose as well. Prakash, it's getting very serious now. 20 names that include politicians and Bollywood stars, we are told. We are not taking the names, but 20 names are there on that list.
Well, yes, Niranjan, the involvement of people in the Bollywood as well as top politicians have come to the fore with the investigative agencies, and people who have been questioned have taken the names of top politicians, Bollywood actors, and these are big politicians. Now the question we ask is, do they have the moral right to continue in politics or in the acting profession? Because use of drugs in the Bollywood is not a new thing. We have seen in the past that many actors have been taking drugs, but this is a different scenario now that the ED and the CBI has also unearthed, and they are doing it very carefully because they are taking one step by step to investigate into this case, the mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput, after it has come to the fore that Rhea Chakraborty was administering banned drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, this drug angle is getting serious, and it will certainly have implications on the career of many politicians. We are not going to name any politician as of now because we have the details, but till we get conclusive evidence. But these evidences are there with the agencies, which is the ED and the CBI, and the narcotics control also coming into the picture. They are holding the meetings in Delhi. Maybe the team would fly down to Mumbai to take action. And these are the evidences and the information that has been gathered by the agencies to nail down Rhea Chakraborty, and it is a matter of time before she is quizzed by the investigating agencies. She would be brought to the table and asked all these questions to whom all she and her teammates, including Shruti Modi, Jaya Shah, and all other were in contacts with. So it is going to be a final clincher before Rhea Chakraborty will be interrogated and quizzed by the CBI. But the news is that the agencies have the list of 20 influential people in Mumbai and in different parts of the country who are involved in the drug cartel. And that can have a serious implication, and we may unearth some damaging and serious revelations pertaining to Sushant Singh Rajput death case.